Hi, welcome to another ecosports adventure. This time I'm checking out Lake Endeavour at Parkes. So I've got the OC1 canoe and the kayak on the roof, ready to roll.
Oh, look out for the crocodile.
So this is Lake Endeavour near Parkes. It's home of the Dragon Boat Club in Parkes. So it's going to be a fun day of dragon boating and kayaking and outrigger canoeing today. Bit of a picnic day and a get together. So today the Western Region clubs have done a Western Region virtual challenge to try and walk 1,648 kilometres for each club. So all their little hikes over spring have been added up from each club, and that's the distance. If you did an actual walk through all the Western Region clubs in New South Wales, it'll be 1,648 kilometres. So we'll see how everyone's gone today.
I'm going to donate the first money, a substantial amount of money too, I might add, which is very much appreciated. And we so much appreciate the fact that Lizzie had the faith in us to pull out the money, pull out the chequebook, give us the money, and that kicked our club off, and we have never been in the red since. And that's a great thing. So in honour of that, this is our first boat. This boat is going to be named the Lizzie, in honour of Lizzie. So I'm going to ask Beth now to come down and Lizzie can walk down. So I'll come. Okay, come down, Lizzie.
This is the bottle of champagne. Now hold on, drum roll.
And then the Lizzie may God bless all who paddle in her.
Right!
One more thing. This boat is named the Lizzie, and now Lizzie has a new title which she earns by naming the boat. She will be forever now known as the godmother of the ship.
We raised a bit of money. We'll do that in a moment. We've also got some medals to present to all our participants. We had 70 people participate in the walk, which was fabulous, from all the different clubs in the Western region. And most of those clubs have got representatives here today, which is a great thing to see. We're so happy to see that you've made this long trek out to our lake, and we really, really appreciate it.
Thank you very much, and thank you very much to Parkes Dragon Boat Club for your organisation and keeping us up to date and motivating us. So it was great.
Tiny little team. They made a magnificent effort for 2 people on their club to come and do this walk with us. Susan and Harold, well done.
Right.
City Dragons
Thank you very much.
and I'd like to ask Joe, can you take that to them being another orange team member from a different club albeit, but you can, so Maggie can take the medals first. This club said, please don't buy us medals. We want to leave our money in the kitty to go towards the Cancer New South Wales, which was what we were raising the money for. So the Bathurst Club don't have a swag of medals, but they did a magnificent job on the walk, and I have one medal that I would like to give to their team captain, even though they didn't want medals. So for Lawrence.
Just hold it, it's running. We'll put this in our trophy cabinet.
Well done, Bathurst, and thank you for donating your money back rather than taking medals.
Congratulations to the Water Club.
I like the colours because they're almost our colours too, the green and the...
That's right, good. Yes. Orange Club got orange.
Okay, great.
Good on you, Walker. Yay.
Joe is representing the Cancer Council today, and we would like to present $675 to the Cancer Council of New South Wales.
Going to take the OC canoe out in a minute and follow the dragon boat around Lake Endeavour. Be a nice lap. Have a look at the scenery. So dragon boat holds up to 20 paddlers, a sweep steering at the back and one drummer at the front, so 22 in total, 20 paddlers maximum. Oh, I'm home now. Boats all packed away in the shed. So I hope you enjoyed that video on Lake Endeavour in Parkes. So it's a nice day. Just having a dragon boat and kayaks, an outrigger canoe on the water. So paddling is a great sport. It's environmentally friendly, it doesn't create any pollution, not like power boats and things like that. So it's a really nice, pleasant, scenic and social activity. So thanks for watching. See you next time.